Veronica!
This way. This way. Ah, come on.
The problem is there's a cat over there. Now there's a dog.
Conchetta, you're interrupting.
Jump! Veronica!
Veronica!
Jump!
Trying to walk away.
She's like, this is cool. I want this. I want to walk around.
Oh no, not anymore.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I think she's tired. Ooh.
Well, I think she's frustrated by the fact that she can't just go somewhere.
Oh, almost got it. I'm trying to get a cute picture. Oh, Conchetta, you're... I'm trying to get a picture of her smiling. Conchetta, I mean, oh, no.
Hey! Hey!
Veronica!
Bad dog.
Veronica, hey! Where's your baby? Veronica! Ah. Whoa. I think it's too low to the ground.